Ready, Emma?
Ready.
Welcome out to Homesteading the Right Way, guys. Today I'm going to do a garden tour. It's been a long time since I've actually even been in the garden, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to get into. I have a few peppers, and I know I have a few things I got to do. We're going to harvest some okra, and I'm going to end up showing you guys pumpkins, what I think are peanuts. I'm not 100% sure how they sprouted. Like I said, I have not been able to be in this garden for a couple weeks now, and so we'll see how this is all looking without me checking on it or harvesting anything. So I'm not too hopeful on things, but let's get to showing you guys everything. This is the first box for the peanuts. I'm pretty sure that's a peanut plant. Not 100% sure. Maybe that is one of the things that are supposed to go in the ground. But look, that's where the chickens have been like scratching and stuff. So then here is box number 2. Hopefully, yeah, I'm pretty confident that's peanuts. And again, look, chickens have been scratching. I need to get in here and fix this. So there's a few plants in here that could be doing stuff. This is our first time playing in here. These are the Sugar Rush peach peppers. So now a few are coming out. They're supposed to turn. I know they're not ready, but look, I mean, we got a bunch that are fixing to start. So I need to get out here. It's just finding the time. So that's exciting. With the summer heat and stuff, I'm just not tending to this. Some of this is dying out. I'm gonna probably end up harvesting those and that one. I saw something. Yeah, that could be a Seminole pumpkin. Or no, a Cherokee, yeah, a Seminole pumpkin. I planted those in here. They weren't coming up. Trying to see what all I can find. Yeah, some stuff that's, like, that's gotta go. That petered out. There's a good one though. I think. Yeah, that's good and not soft, so I'll come back and grab that. Oh, there's a couple. I see one in there. There's some North Georgia's Candy Roaster squash. Look at that one. It's not huge. One got destroyed in there. Those are some baby ones. Well, one's a baby one. I think its vine died out. It's not terribly tiny though. But compared to that one. Sorry, we're all in some grass. Got some tomatoes doing great. That one fell down or something. That cucumber thing, the jelly cucumber's taking over. I have to try getting in there to look. 1 second. Whatever's in the tomatoes in there is gone. That one's getting destroyed. I'll have to thin this stuff out another day. I'm gonna pull that one, even though it's doing good. It's just getting these cages to stand back up once they fall. It's hard. That one got destroyed. That one's same thing. Yeah, 1 second, baby. I want to say, seen my peppers. Those are the peach peppers. Yeah, God, everything just got taken over. Check out these peppers. Pick a few. Oh yeah. Look at those. I want to say they're Sugar Rush peach peppers or habaneros. I don't remember, but they look great. And I know last year we grew them. I enjoyed them. They had a good flavor. Maybe I'll dehydrate them, make flakes or something. We'll see.
Oh, the golden one?
Yeah, pick all the golden ones, Emma. Oh, right here. Right there. Oh, that one's been eaten.
Okay.
Get those ones.
These ones?
Yeah.
Can I just roll
Mm-hmm.
and put them both in the basket?
Yep.
And eat them one day?
You want to eat them tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got to show these habaneros. I don't know if I've seen them ever this hot. Or red, or orange, I mean, my bad. Look at this, though. We got a bunch. This is just off one plant. We get those two. That one.
That one.
Look at this, though. Look at that. I'll show you them all. Yeah, pick it. This is the habaneros and the peach peppers. It's a good little haul. It's a lot of them. Like I said, we haven't been out here in a while, nor tending to it. All the cucumbers are pretty much dead, and they've all turned. So, not a bad thing. I wish we'd gotten more pickling, but I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, we had fun with it. All right, I just want to show real quick. Boom, I got one of these peppers, but that's a big one. Pretty exciting. It looks like my last potato plants have died out. Looks like bugs have been eating it. So I guess I'll be harvesting potatoes soon, or trying to. Well, hopefully I'll have something so I can at least know if this was worth trying to grow again. So I haven't been here in a minute. Like I've said plenty of times, I'm pretty excited to show you this because this is crazy. And I'm gonna harvest this in a second. Look at this okra. It is as tall as me. I could disappear in this jungle. Yeah, pretty cool. It is taller than you. Check that out. It's a long pod. Hopefully that's not too tough. Almost feels like it could be, but there's a good soft one. I'm gonna show you corn real quick. I mean, these things, they grew even taller. I didn't think they could. But look at this. They got starting to brown, starting to separate. Some are still green. It is all over. So we should be harvesting soon. I'm not sure when. That's exciting. Okra, peppers. There's some of the squash in there I showed you. Okra, tomatoes and carrots. Not a bad harvest for one day. I mean, well, for a while, but this might be towards the end of our harvesting. So I'm gonna quickly try to show this because I'm running out of daylight. But look at that. That's all pumpkins. Try to remember, those are like the Big Max ones. There's more right here. I know it's a little hard to see because it's kind of dark, but got pumpkins. They're all about that size. Okay, you can see them all right there. Deer have been through here. But I guess they're not bothering these too bad. I don't know. Hopefully I'll get lucky. Here's some more. These are all still... Actually, nope. This might be sugar pumpkins. I know for a fact those are all jack-o'-lanterns. And then in here, I know I saw them another day. Yep, right there. Those are the Cherokee Tans. And there's some more there. There. And then these are another sugar pie pumpkin. These ones are jamming. I have to go back and look and see what these ones were. Look at that. I think I had almost like 100% success rate with that. Maybe I started later down. I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the garden update and harvest. I plan to show you guys how to process your okra next. because I know not everybody has done it. We always get a lot of questions in our live when we talk about okra, eating it, cooking it, processing it, all that. So I'm gonna try getting you guys some of those footage because I got a lot of it, and I know I got a lot of it that is unedible, or in our opinion unedible. So I'm gonna do that for you guys next video. So yeah, if you guys are new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a great day.